Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Shorthand System, Judiciary Notes, page number 19 and 20, dictation speed 100 words per minute. If you want dictation at 80 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75, and if you want dictation at 125 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready? Start. It appears that the intention of the parties was that this mortgage amount shall be the sale price of the suit house, and that is why no other amount as sale price was mentioned in the agreement to sell. Full stop. The mere fact that the vendor agreed not to receive any additional amount as sell a fictitious document or the transaction as without consideration. Full stop. Even otherwise, this was not the plea of the respondent number 1 in his pleadings. Full stop. By holding that the agreement to sell was without consideration, comma, both the learned lower courts have travelled beyond the pleadings of the parties and have taken into consideration matters extraneous to the pleadings. Full stop. During the days when the suit house was intended to be sold to the petitioners, comma, rupees 15,000 could be a reasonable price thereof, and the respondent number 1 willingly and voluntarily agreed to transfer the suit house in favor of the petitioners on that very price which he had received in toto as mortgage charge. Full stop. The three women sleeping in their home in the night were done to death by firearm, hatchets and sticks. Full stop. It was cruel and brutal. Full stop. Have the appellants done so? Question mark. The learned additional sessions judge held so and sentenced them to death. Full stop. We carefully went through the evidence, took note of every item of the prosecution case, pondered and thought over the matter thoroughly. Full stop. We could not come to be sure that the case against the appellants has been proved beyond reasonable doubt. Full stop. It appears clearly from the evidence on the record that the three women with two minor children were in their home in the night. Full stop. The only male member, Mar Khan, had gone to see a mela. Full stop. Next day, none he lodged the FIR, giving one motive and one set of accused. Full stop. He changed the motive and the accused, comma, giving another motive and a second set of accused persons. Full stop. Lastly, and in the court, he came up with one of the motives and another set of accused, third in the series. Full stop. Not only he wavered, but the investigating agency seems not to have probed the matter deeply and efficiently. Full stop. The learned assistant advocate general submitted that it was misled by the complainant. Full stop. May be so, but it was its duty ultimately of the state to investigate. Full stop. Investigation does not mean going about us led. Full stop. It requires inquiries into, finding out, looking into and searching for all facts relevant to the unearthing of the crime. Full stop. Leisurely or half-hearted efforts never lead to successful results. Full stop. Search of the truth is always a painstaking endeavor. Full stop. Triple murder should not have been trifled with full stop. Presence of children was natural full stop. They should have been examined straight away, whatever worth their examination may have been in the absence of other evidence coming forward full stop. Careless conduct of the contract is a reasonable and business manner semicolon. The court is satisfied that it should necessarily have been intended by the parties when the contract was made full stop. Having gone thus far, it is now left for us to examine contention raised on behalf of the appellants that even if the case of the respondents on their own showing was covered under the head other charges, then to an amount over and above what was specified in the default clause could not be awarded to the respondents full stop. As we have held that since no provision was made for the award of damages in the default clause, the case of the respondents must rest on the interpretation of the same full stop. All contingencies, including the cancellation of the agreement, were well within the contemplation of the parties at the time of the drawing of the agreement raised by the learned counsel for the appellants that the arbitrator was not competent to import an agreement for the award of damages. Stop writing, please.